Hello, this is Ben Mahoney. Mo asked me to make you a little video showing you a couple things about the Dolphin. First thing, I guess, we'll turn it on, download the application, and get the machine set up. So we will turn it on. There is a nice little cover that goes here. I've already managed to lose it. Okay, it's coming on. We're gonna need to download the application. These are the instructions that come with the machine. They're all in Chinese. You need a little QR scanner code app to download it, one for iOS or one for Android. We'll go ahead and open up the one I have for Android. And, well, it scanned it real quick. There we go. We will open in the browser. I don't actually need to download it again since I already have it, so I will just click that to install it. Do you want to install this application? No special access required. We're going to install it. We'll go ahead and open it. So the first thing you need to actually do once you get the application downloaded is download the update. That way you will be able to set the machine for English. As you can see, it's in Chinese. We'll update it. Hopefully it goes pretty quick. And we got lucky. It didn't want to update a moment ago when I tried. It took 1 or 2 tries. And then once we update it, we will get the machine going. Okay, it may ask you if you want to install unknown applications. That's something you're going to need to do to install the update. Okay, now we'll open it. Okay, top left, language, English. Check. Okay, now to set the machine up, you want to do these 3 things in order, and then you'll be ready to go. So we'll do that now. And so we'll get to where's the machine? There it is. Okay, we need to connect. Select. Allow. Disconnected. Okay. Okay, connected. Oh, there's an update. Let's do that. It's pretty quick. Okay. And let's make sure everything's up to date. Yeah, it looks up to date. Okay, machine parameter. The first one is the height level adjustment. What we're going to do is put the cutter and the probe in the machine. All right, I installed the cutter and the probe as well as jaw M1. The cutter needs to be a little bit lower than the probe. Okay, high level adjustment, first step complete. Continue for the next step. The next step is actually lowering the probe to touch the surface of the jaw. Okay, oops, there we go. It is touching the surface of the jaw. Now we'll just snug it up just a little bit to be sure. Okay, continue. Okay, that's finished. We're using the 2.5mm cutter. Okay, now we'll move to the next step on the instructions. Again, using the M1 clamp. Okay, and we already have a Honda key right here. We'll just shove it in there about so far. Okay, we'll start. Let it do its thing. Okay, M1 calibration, okay. We've done that. anytime you change a cutter or probe or anything, I want to say you're supposed to do that. Okay, cutting calibration. Let's see. We've already got the key we need in there. We'll just close the little cover. I just opened that so we could get to the little set screws. Okay, so we'll start. Okay, so it wants us to brush it off now. All right, we'll do that real quick. All right, and continue. Cutting calibration complete.